Hello, my name is Andy and I'm a rising senior at Lowell High School. And my project is a light-seeking robot. So first, I'll explain how this will work. So first, light reaches these photoresistors, and these photoresistors, when faced with increased amount of light, the resistance goes down. So according to Ohm's law, because voltage is constant from the battery and resistance decreased, the current will increase. But then the current itself is not enough to power the motors. So when the current from the battery after the current reaches the resistors, the capacitors, eventually reaches these transistors, which amplify the current. And then the resistance is also changed by the potentiometers in the center, which you could change by turning the dials. And this adjusts the sensitivity and the speed of the robot. And the second side is symmetric to the first side. And then here's the second switch. And when the switch is turned to the right, which is the first mode and it's also the slow mode, the resistance, the current takes a path with more resistance, so that's why the motors turn more slowly. So yeah, you can hear that the motors are turning more slowly. While in the second mode, when the switch is turned to the left, the motors turn more quickly, and that's why the robot moves more quickly. And those are the two modes, and that's basically how the robot works. Okay, now I'll show you the two modes of the robot. Okay, so I turn it on, and here's the fast mode because the switch is turned to the right. And I can tell it's working because the light is seeking the light over there and it's going straight. And then when I put my hand over the sensor, the robot's turning left because it's seeking the light over here and there's no light over here. And then when I put my hand over this sensor, the robot's turning right. Okay. And now I'll show you the fast mode. So I turn it to the left. So the fast mode doesn't work as well as the slow mode, but then that's because of the bridges and such on the table. But then I put my hand over it, the tail is still seeking left. And then if I put my hand over the left sensor, it is seeking right. And then I let my hand go and then it continues moving. Yeah, that's my robot.